Saint Lucia, a name that conjures images of pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and vibrant culture. But trust me, the reality is even more breathtaking than the pictures. A tiny gem nestled in the heart of the Caribbean, this island nation offers an unparalleled escape from the ordinary. Imagine yourself surrounded by turquoise waters so clear you can see straight to the ocean floor, feeling the warm Caribbean sun on your skin, and breathing in the fresh tropical air. It's packed with natural beauty, from its volcanic peaks to its cascading waterfalls and verdant rainforests teeming with exotic wildlife. Saint Lucia is a feast for the senses, a place where nature's artistry is on full display. Beyond its stunning landscapes, Saint Lucia boasts a rich culture, a vibrant tapestry woven from African, French, and British influences. You'll find it in the colorful markets, the rhythmic music, and the warm smiles of the locals. And for the adventurous souls, Saint Lucia offers unforgettable adventures at every turn. Whether you're hiking through the rainforest, snorkeling in crystal-clear waters, or zip-lining through the canopy, there's something to get your adrenaline pumping. From mountains that touch the sky, the majestic Pitons, iconic symbols of the island, rising dramatically from the sea, offering breathtaking views and challenging hikes, to warm, welcoming seas, teeming with vibrant coral reefs and marine life, perfect for diving, snorkeling, or simply relaxing on the beach. This island is an adventure playground, a place where you can reconnect with nature, challenge yourself, and create memories that will last a lifetime. And the food? Oh, the food. We'll get to that. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. Saint Lucian cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors, influenced by the island's diverse heritage. I've explored hidden waterfalls, hiked through lush rainforests, eaten my way through local markets, and laughed with locals, learning about their traditions and way of life. To bring you the top 9 experiences you absolutely can't miss on your Saint Lucian adventure. We'll cover everything from history, delving into the island's fascinating past and exploring its historical landmarks, to nature, immersing ourselves in the island's breathtaking landscapes and discovering its unique flora and fauna, to pure fun, experiencing the thrill of water sports, relaxing on pristine beaches, and soaking up the vibrant Caribbean atmosphere. So, are you ready to discover the magic of Saint Lucia? Let's dive in and explore this Caribbean paradise together. Our journey begins at the Diamond Falls Botanical Gardens in Soufrière. The highlight? A stunning waterfall, its rocks streaked with vibrant colors from volcanic minerals. Nearby, soak in mineral baths once built for French royalty. Nature, history, and relaxation in one. The perfect, gentle start to our Saint Lucian adventure. Get ready to turn up the excitement because our next stop is a hub of aquatic adventures. We're about to dive headfirst into a world of exhilarating splashes and unforgettable moments. Prepare to be amazed as we explore a destination that redefines fun in the sun. Welcome to Splash Island Water Park, a vibrant oasis nestled on the stunning Redouet Beach. This isn't just any water park, it's a floating playground where laughter echoes across the turquoise expanse. A place where the Caribbean breeze carries the sounds of joy and adventure. Imagine yourself navigating a sprawling obstacle course right on the shimmering turquoise waters. This isn't your average day at the beach. It's an immersive experience that challenges your agility and ignites your inner child. Each inflatable obstacle promises a new thrill, a new splash, and a new reason to smile. Splash Island is designed for pure, unadulterated, hilarious fun, and it welcomes adventurers of all ages. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just looking for a good time, there's something here for everyone. Watch as families bond over shared challenges, friends compete in friendly races, and strangers connect through laughter. Race your friends through the course, bounce across the buoyant platforms, and laugh as you inevitably take a refreshing plunge into the cool Caribbean Sea. Every splash is a moment of pure joy, every jump a testament to the carefree spirit of vacation. After all the excitement, take a moment to unwind and relax on the pristine sands of Redouet Beach. Let the warm sun kiss your skin, and the gentle waves lull you into a state of tranquility, or simply float in the crystal-clear sea, letting your worries drift away with the tide. Feel the gentle sway of the water as you gaze up at the endless blue sky, a perfect moment of serenity. Splash Island Water Park is more than just an attraction, it's a unique and unforgettable way to play in paradise. It's where memories are made, laughter is shared, and the spirit of adventure comes alive. So, come on down and experience the magic for yourself. Time for history at Pigeon Island National Landmark. Explore old forts and barracks, hike to panoramic viewpoints, and imagine pirates and navies of the past. The climb to Fort Rodney rewards you with breathtaking views of Saint Lucia and even Martinique. It's the perfect blend of nature, history, and adventure. The Castries market is the island's vibrant heart. Dive into a world of colors, spices, and local crafts and meet the friendly vendors. Sample exotic fruits, haggle for souvenirs, and soak up the lively atmosphere. It's the best way to connect with Saint Lucian culture. Marigot Bay, called the most beautiful bay in the Caribbean. Surrounded by jungle hills and emerald water, it's pure relaxation. Swim, kayak, or just watch the boats drift by from a waterfront cafe. This is the place to disconnect and recharge. A day here is paradise, plain and simple. Ready for something wild? Head to the Sulphur Springs, the world's only drive-in volcano. Watch bubbling mud pools, then slather yourself in mineral-rich volcanic mud. Rinse off in hot springs, your skin will thank you. It's weird, wonderful, and unforgettable. Time to explore beneath the waves at Anse Chastanet. Snorkel or dive in a protected marine sanctuary teeming with colorful fish and coral. Even beginners can enjoy world-class snorkeling right off the beach. It's a magical, peaceful world just waiting to be discovered. Back in Soufrière, discover the island's cultural soul. Charter a boat with local fishermen, catch your own dinner, and grill it on the beach. Enjoy fresh fish, cold beer, and the company of new friends. It's authentic, delicious, and deeply memorable. The ultimate Saint Lucian adventure, hiking the iconic Pitons. Tackle Gros Piton for a challenging climb and jaw-dropping views. The summit offers a 360-degree panorama of the island and sea. It's tough, but the sense of triumph is unbeatable. This is a memory you'll treasure forever. Saint Lucia, a gem of the Caribbean, awaits you with open arms. Imagine yourself soaring above the majestic Pitons, these volcanic peaks piercing the sky, a sight that etches itself into your memory. From volcanic peaks descend into an underwater paradise, where vibrant coral reefs teem with life. Discover a kaleidoscope of colors as you snorkel or dive amidst schools of fish, a truly immersive experience. Saint Lucia is pure magic. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, you'll understand why this island is considered a true paradise. It's the beauty, cascading waterfalls like Diamond Falls, hidden amidst lush tropical foliage, offer a refreshing escape and a chance to connect with nature's raw power. The food, a tantalizing fusion of flavors, from fresh seafood grilled to perfection to local delicacies bursting with Caribbean spices. Every meal is an adventure for your taste buds. Explore the local markets, overflowing with fresh produce and the aromas of island life. And the spirit of the people, their warmth and genuine hospitality creating an atmosphere of welcome and belonging. Engage with the locals, learn about their culture, and experience the true heart of Saint Lucia. That make it unforgettable. Picture yourself in Marigot Bay, a stunning natural harbor dotted with sailboats, a scene straight out of a postcard. You leave with stories of hiking the Pitons, conquering challenging trails, and being rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views. Laughter echoing from Splash Island Water Park, where fun and excitement await both young and old, and a new sense of wonder. Relax on the pristine sands of Anse Chastanet Beach, where turquoise waters meet lush greenery, a true Caribbean paradise. Which adventure tops your list? From the therapeutic Sulphur Springs to the historic Pigeon Island, Saint Lucia offers a diverse range of attractions to explore. Let us know in the comments. Share your favorite Saint Lucia moments and inspire others to discover this incredible island. Until next time, happy travels. May your journeys be filled with adventure, discovery, and unforgettable experiences. We hope to see you.